Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my new video. So guys, this afternoon our video is about how to speed up your Wi-Fi signal. Okay guys, so we are using a Huawei B310 Wi-Fi signal. I mean Wi-Fi router. Okay, so this is a widely used Wi-Fi router, and even it is used also in the Philippines. Okay, so or a similar router. Okay guys, so one simple way to boost or speed up the Wi-Fi signal on this router is to install an external antenna. Okay, right guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, so that's the Huawei B310 Wi-Fi router. Okay, so that's the model. It's Huawei B310 router. Okay guys, so so this is the actual router, the Huawei B310. Okay, so this is the power. This is the indicator if you are connected to the internet or if you have an internet connection. So this one, of course, the Wi-Fi, and this the Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so right now the Wi-Fi signal is not activated because I'm not using it. I'm just using the router for demonstration only. Okay guys, so in order to increase the Wi-Fi signal or boost the Wi-Fi signal on this router B310, you need to install an external antenna. Okay guys, so I will show here what the external antenna looks like. Okay guys, so like this one, it is widely used in the Philippines. See, it's a globe broadband. So this is the external antenna that you can use on this router in order to boost or speed up the Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so this one, so this is recommended if you are far from the cell site or if you are living in the province. So this is a very good external antenna. But if you are living in the city and you have like 3-bar signal already, you can use the other antenna, this one. So that's the other external antenna. Okay, so this is recommended if you have already like 2 bars and 3 bars Wi-Fi signal on this router. So if you are in the city or if you are in the province but you are near on the cell site, so you can use this one, this external antenna. Alright guys, so for example, either one of those or one of these antennas, you maybe use this one or the other one, this one, and you connected it here at the back of the router. All you need to do after you install the external antenna is you go to the software of the Huawei B310 router so that you can use the external antenna and so that it will function. So next thing to do after you install or connect this external antennas on the router, you go to the software of the router. So to open a browser. Okay, so this is a browser, and usually the IP address, the default IP address of this router is this one, 192.168.8.1. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so we will connect. It's not connected. We will connect first here. You will connect first. Connect. Okay, still connecting. We'll just wait. Alright. Let's double check. Okay guys, see, it is connected already. Okay guys. Okay, so it is connected already. In fact, see, it automatically opened the control panel of the Huawei 310 router. So see, this is the default address of the router. Okay, so in case if it will not open automatically, you just have to type the IP address 192.168.8.1. so that is the default IP address of this Huawei 310 router. Okay guys, so after that, here on the software of the router, you need to go to the settings, and then it will ask you the username. So usually the username is admin. So in this case, if you didn't change the password, so the password will be admin, but in my case I changed it to admin 321. Okay, okay guys, so after that you go here, system, then antenna settings. Okay, so this is now the antenna settings section. So granting that you already installed this antenna, or this antenna, if you are already connected here, so all you need to do is to activate the settings here. So usually if it is not configured, it is set to O2 like that. So you have to change this to external antennas 1 and 2, meaning you installed 2 antennas there in this area. Okay, if you only install 1 antenna, so you select her, you have to select in this section external antenna 1, but it is recommended to use 2 antennas in order to boost or speed up your Wi-Fi signal. So in this case, I will choose this one, external antennas 1 and 2. After that, click apply. Okay, see guys, success. So which means we already enabled the external antenna 1 and 2 of this router. So that's it guys, it will function. Make sure to enable this one, because if you forgot to change the settings here, the external antenna will be useless and it will not function. So that's the simple way to speed up your Wi-Fi signal using this router. Huawei B310. Alright guys, and so according to their website also, this router is already a 5G router, so it is ready for 5G. So if 5G internet is already available in your area, you just have to use a 5G SIM card and this router will support. And that is according to Huawei website. Alright guys, so that's the video for today. I hope you like it, and then please like, subscribe, stay safe guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys, God bless everyone. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye guys.